oscillatory motion. What is oscillatory motion? To and fro motion about a fixed point is called oscillatory motion, and the fixed point is said to be mean position or equilibrium position. It means the fixed position is find out by the equation of oscillatory motion. So let us start with the oscillatory motion. The example of oscillatory motion is, this is the diagram of a solid in which the atoms are arranged in a periodic manner. When the temperature of this solid is raised above 300 degree Kelvin, then the atoms which is present at its lattice point, this is lattice. Lattice is the point where atoms are arranged. When the temperature is increased beyond 300 degree Kelvin, then the position of this lattice starts oscillate from its position and it go up and down, and this is said to be oscillatory motion, and this is the fixed point about which this atom is oscillating. But this oscillation occurs when we increase the temperature of this solid beyond 300 degree Kelvin. And another example of oscillatory motion, look at this diagram. This is a valley, okay, there where an particle, this is the position of the particle. If we release the particle from here, then it will come at this point, and again after coming this point it will again jump to the same point. Here I am assuming there is no loss of energy, so that's why the height from where the particle is released, it again reach to the same height. So it will oscillate from this position A to position B, and again to the reach, again it will reach to the position C. It means it will oscillate from A to B, then B to C, and again from C to B and B to A. So this is said to be oscillatory motion, and in this case this B point is known as fixed point. So this is the visualization of oscillatory motion. But in real picture or in problems, we find the mean position or the equilibrium position that is said to be fixed position by using the equation, force equation of oscillatory motion. General equation of oscillatory motion is given by this: force is equal to minus kx to the power x. This is the format by which you understand the oscillatory motion. So this is the equation of oscillatory motion where n starts from 1, 2 and so on. Here we have considered for odd number, n for odd number, that is for 3, 5, 7. So to get the mean position or equilibrium position, we simply equate the force equation to 0, and after when we will equate this force equation is equal to 0, then we will get x equal to 0, because this is k is some constant and x to the power n is equal to 0. It means x, the value of x is 0. So this is the x equal to 0 position, and it is said to be mean position or equilibrium position. And suppose at the mean position particle is given some energy, and due to this energy provided to this particle, it goes from this position to this position, and this position is said to be extreme position, and this position is also known as extreme position. But the position of extreme location, it depends on the energy provided at the mean position. Suppose if I will provide less energy, then this extreme position may lie at this position. If I will provide more energy at the mean position, then the extreme position may lie at this position. This is the position. So the extreme position depends on the energy provided to the particle at the mean position. And now let us consider this example where the mean position is x equal to 0. And suppose the extreme position is this. This is the k, and here in the left side the extreme position is L. Suppose the particle is going in this direction, so when the particle which reach at this point, and at this point x is greater than 0. X is greater than 0, but look at the force equation. The force equation is F is equal to minus k x to the power n. So x is here positive and n is odd number. So positive to the power odd number, we will get always positive. But there is a minus sign, it means force is negative. If particle will go to the positive direction of x-axis, force will always act towards this point according to this equation. Now let us consider when the particle will reach at this point, at this position, the particle having x less than 0. So this is negative. So x to the power odd negative to the power odd is always negative, and minus. So this imply at this position x to the power n is less than 0, but at this position x to the power n is greater than 0. It means here force is less than 0 because of this negative sign. But at this position x is less than 0. This implies x to the power n is less than 0 because n is odd. So negative to the odd number is always negative. But this term is negative and there is already a negative sign present here. It means force will act in this direction. Means at this position force is greater than 0. And if force is greater than 0, it means it is acting towards the positive direction of x-axis. So in this case, we visualize the force equation of oscillatory motion. Now let us consider for the case when n is equal to even. Again, for n equal to even, the general equation of the oscillatory motion is still this one. When the particle will be at this position, x is greater than 0. X is greater than 0 and here f is equal to minus k x to the power even, because we are dealing the case of even n. So x to the power even, x is positive and positive to the even number is always positive. It means x to the power n is greater than 0 and there is negative sign. It means force is less than 0. So when the particle will at this position, then the force will act in this direction. This is the direction of force. And when the particle will at this position x is less than 0. So negative to the power even is always positive. It means x to the power n is greater than 0 and force f is equal to minus k x to the power even. It means force is also negative. So the force will act in this direction. For the even case, force will always act in the negative direction of x-axis. But in case of n is equal to odd, the direction of force it changes. That is, for x greater than 0, the force will act to the negative direction of x-axis, and for x less than 0, force will act to the positive direction of x-axis. From this scenario, what we get in oscillatory motion, force is not constant. If force is not constant, it means acceleration is not constant. Acceleration is varying with respect to position in case of oscillatory motion. And for n equal to 1, this is a special case of oscillatory motion. For n equal to 1, we will get the equation f is equal to minus kx. And this is the special case of oscillatory motion. In this case, oscillatory motion is said to be simple harmonic motion. The important points regarding oscillatory motion is the time period. The time period is not constant in case of oscillatory motion, but in case of periodic motion, the time period is constant, because in periodic motion, path followed by the particle is fixed. But here the path followed by the particle is not fixed, because the extreme position depends on the energy that is provided to the particle at the mean position. If we will provide more energy to the particle at the mean position, then the extreme position will exist far away from the mean position, and then the time period will more. And if we will provide less energy to the particle at the mean position, then the extreme position will exist closer to the mean position. It means time period will less. So in case of oscillatory motion, time period is not fixed.